Tinkerbell. Meow if you love me. I knew you were gonna meow, yes. Tinkerbell, is your name Tinkerbell? Meow if your name's Tinkerbell. Meow if your name's Tinkerbell. Meow if your name's Tinkerbell. If your name's Stinky. Meow if your name's Stinky. If your name's Stinky Tinky. Yeah. Tinkerbell. Am I messing up your hair? Meow. Meow if I'm messing up your hair. Meow if I'm messing up your hair, Tinky. Shake your head. That's a good girl. Meow. Tinkerbell. Is your name Stinky Tinky? If I'm tickling you, rabbit kick me. Rabbit kick me. Good girl. No bite, no bite, no bite. Am I tickling you? Rabbit kick me if I'm tickling you. Yep. Tinkerbell, meow if your name is Tinkerbell. Meow. Your name Tinkerbell? Stinky. 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 Meow if your name's Tinkerbell. Tinkerbell. Is your name Stinky Tinky? Is your name Tinkerbell? Meow, Tinkerbell. If your name is Tinkerbell, then meow. That's what I thought. Tinkerbell. Are you pretty? Meow if you're pretty. Meow if you're pretty, Tinky. Purr if you're pretty. Good job, Tinky. You gotta start practicing on that. Ready? Pretty girl, pretty girl, pretty girl, pretty girl, pretty girl. Yes. You pretty girl, you pretty girl. You pretty girl, you pretty girl, you pretty girl. Pretty girl, pretty girl. Yeah. Tinkerbell. Is your name Tinkerbell? Hi, is your name Tinkerbell? Is your name Tinkerbell? Meow if your name is Tinky. Come on. Yeah. Ready? Give me a kissy. Yeah. Good job, Tinky.